So Teams is another Microsoft app that many people use for communication, and the reps already have this app. So there's a lot of reps and also sales managers, really anybody in your organization. So let's talk through what the advantages are here.
Sure. A lot of times in 2025, you're communicating with your customers and your vendors through email, but you're probably communicating with your team through an internal tool like Teams, like Microsoft Teams. And so in this example, we're using Teams chat. I'm in the demo distributing general channel. You can see we've got some regular conversations going on, but you can also see up at the top, I've added some WineTrade specific tabs there. So if we click into this, we can see that not only can we just talk back and forth, but we can look at an item list from WineTrade right here. We can filter on our wine list. We can see some data visualization for this wine list in Teams itself. We can scroll through our wine list. We can filter. We can search. We can click into a product detail page, and all the same info that we can get by going into the full WineTrade app. If we spend most of our time in Teams, we can get that same info without having to leave Teams. Same with our customers. If we need to do quick research into customers, we can search for Harding Brothers Beverage. We can click into Harding Brothers Beverage. We can take action on Harding Brothers Beverage right here, or dig up the info we need. And again, we're all in our company communications app right here. Now, let's say I'm a portfolio manager and there are some item sales that I have to approve. And so I see I've already approved most of my orders here, but I see there's this one sales order a rep has entered that I still need to approve. I can see a lot of details just at the bottom of this screen, but I click view, and now I've opened up a detailed view of this order for Greenwich Liquors, and I can see that it's that Erba Barolo that I need to approve. And because it's a little allocated, and Greenwich Liquors, I'm fine with them getting this, so I'm going to approve that order review. And now I haven't had to leave Teams. I can work through that and all kinds of other workflows. If I'm not spending all day in WineTrade, but I just need to do a few things on an ongoing basis, it's going to be a big time saver that I can do it all in my my team communications app.
And Matt, like everything in 365 WineTrade, it's by user. So what they see matches what role that they have that's been set up by the admin, correct?
Yep, that's exactly right. You can't do anything in Teams that you don't have permission to do in 365 WineTrade.
Excellent.